Welcome back. We're going to talk about Unicom and Automated Terminal Information Service. Unicom is an aeronautical advisory communication station. It is a non-governmental radio communication intended for public airports without a tower, and FSS communication is unavailable. Unicom provides the following services: weather information, wind direction information, and recommended runway. Here is a list of Unicom frequencies. I don't think you have to memorize these. The Automated Terminal Information Service is a recording of the local weather conditions and other pertinent non-control information. If you remember back from the METAR section, this is one of the ways a METAR is delivered. This is a broadcast on a local frequency in a looped format. As expected, it's updated once per hour. It may be updated more often if the local conditions change.